In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make image to video in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser. Once you're on the platform, head over to the video generation section. This is where you'll switch from creating still images to building animated results from an existing image. Next, choose a model. This part matters because different models may support slightly different input options and generation styles, so it's a good idea to pick the one that fits the type of motion or output you want. After selecting your model, click the image icon with the plus symbol. This is how you add the visual source for your video. Then, click on the option for Start Frame, Image Reference, or Video Reference, depending on what your selected model allows. The wording may vary a little, but the goal is the same. You're telling Leonardo what visual material to animate from. From there, click on Your Generations to open your previous work. Find and click on the generation you want to use as the source image, then click Confirm. This locks in that image as the starting point for your video. Now type in your prompt. Keep it clear and descriptive so the motion or style you want is easy for the model to interpret. A well-written prompt can make a big difference in how natural the final animation feels. Once your prompt is ready, choose the video duration. Shorter durations can be faster to generate, while longer ones may give the animation more room to develop. After that, choose the video dimensions. This is important because your dimensions should match where you plan to use the video, whether that's widescreen, vertical, or another format. Finally, click Generate and let Leonardo AI process your image to video creation. After it finishes, you'll be able to review the result and decide if you want to refine it further with a new prompt or different settings.